Now have a look on illustration number 6. What is given to you? Calculate cash flow from operating activities from the following balances. Current assets and current liabilities are given to you. You should know ki what are the current liabilities and what are current assets. Debtors, current asset. BR, current asset. Creditors, current liability. Bills payable, current liability. Outstanding, current liability. Prepaid, current asset. Accrued income, current asset. Income received in advance, current liability. And 2 years data is given to you. You have to record their increase or decrease. Next, बच्चे, what is given to you? Operating profit before working capital changes 1 lakh. So almost half question they have done. They have given you operating profit before working capital changes and it is 1 lakh. Operating profit is 1 lakh. 1 lakh is given to you. Now you have to record the changes in working capital. Means if current asset is decreased, you will add. If current liability is increased, you will add. On the other hand, if current asset is increasing, current liability is decreasing, you will subtract them. This was the only question. They have given the operating profit before working capital changes and you just have to record the change in working capital. You have to make the change in working capital. You have to record operating profit before working capital changes, then add decrease in current assets. 2 current assets were reduced and we will take their difference, and 2 current liabilities were increased, we will take their difference. It will be added back. Then less increase in current asset. 2 current assets were increased and 2 current liabilities were decreased, so it will be subtracted. The final answer will be net cash flow from operating activity. The whole chapter is based on the format. If you know what is to be added, what is to be subtracted, it will be very easy to solve. Next, bache, what is given? X Limited made a profit of rupees 5 lakh after considering the following items. Profit is given to you, bache. Now what thing is given differently? Goodwill write-off, you will add that up. Depreciation will be added. Loss on sale of any fixed asset will be added. Provision for doubtful debt will be added. But gain on sale of fixed asset will be subtracted. In profit, when you will add all these items and subtract this, you will come to know the operating profit before working capital changes. The answer will be working capital changes, operating profit before working capital changes. Then you have to record the change in working capital. First of all, you have to look carefully the years. Now it is 19 and 18. So you will look from here to here. This is a common mistake done by all the students. Trade receivable is a current asset. It is increasing 52 to 78. It will be subtracted. Prepaid expenses are current asset 2 to 3. It is also increasing. It will be subtracted. Trade payables current liability. It is increasing. It will be added. Then which expenses payable outstanding means current liability and it is reducing. It will be subtracted. You just have to do the profit you will take, then you will add these 4 items, subtract 1. If you know the format, you will learn the format, it will be very easy, bache. Then after adding and subtracting, the answer will be operating profit before working capital changes. Then you have to record the increase, decrease, and then the final answer will be cash flow from operating activities. Like this they have done. Net profit they have taken, then 4 items are added, 1 is subtracted. This is your operating profit before working capital changes. Then you have recorded the working capital changes and this is your final answer. Cash flow from operating activities. There was no adjustment related to working note, so we have left it out. Similarly, in the same way we will do the net income of Blue Sky Limited for the year ended. This was 4,89,000. This is your net profit, bache. Net profit, depreciation you will add, net profit plus depreciation. Income for the year arrived after deducting, after adding the gain on sale of land, it will be subtracted. Gain will be subtracted, depreciation will be added and loss on sale of equipment will be added. Writing off of equity issues, cost of equity, it will be added. In profit, you will add the depreciation, loss on sale of asset and writing off of any expense. of share issue, then it will be added and gain will be subtracted. The final answer will be operating profit before working capital changes. Now you have to record the working capital changes. From 18 to 19 you will see. First carefully see the years. Then you will see from here to here. Inventory is decreasing, it will be added, current asset. Receivables are increasing, it will be subtracted, current assets. Now prepaid are also current asset, reducing, add. No cash and cash equivalents will be taken here. It is the last item of cash flow, not in operating, investing, financing. It will never recorded anywhere. Then payable means current liability, it is increasing, it will be added. Outstanding expenses are reducing, current liability reducing, subtracted. Bank overdraft is also not taken here. Bank overdraft is a item of financing head, so it will come in financing. Two items we will ignore. After doing operating profit before working capital changes, we will record the working capital changes and we will ignore cash and bank overdraft. Any doubt, bache? If you will learn the format, the questions are very easy, beta. Now, next, what is given to you? You should put a mark on here, working note. Cash and bank balance will not affect the operating activity. It will be included in cash and cash equivalent. So cash will be ignored. And second thing, bank overdraft. As per the revised CBSE guidelines, earlier the bank overdraft was considered current liability, but not now. It is now a financing activity. Bank overdraft, financing activity, just underline it and put a star. Then bache, I have already explained the working note to you that you have to add these items in the working note if it is given in the question. So profit of the year is given 2,50,000 and this profit was arrived after taking into consideration the following items. Depreciation will be added, loss on sale of excess asset will be added, goodwill will be added. And for the provision for taxation, you have to make a working note. Transfer to reserve. These two items will be recorded in working note now, and gain on sale of excess asset will be subtracted. Then you will record the increase decrease. Net profit you have taken and you have added these two items in the working note. Then depreciation, loss, goodwill added, gain on sale of asset subtracted. The answer will be operating profit before working capital changes. Then you have to record the changes in working capital. Decrease in current asset, increase in current liability will be added, and increase in current asset, decrease in current liability will be subtracted. And finally you have to pay the tax. Beta, if we have given only one thing, this is our provision for tax and this will also become the tax paid. The same value we have to record twice as the provision and the tax paid. Put a star on it. This is your working note of this question. Net profit 250 was given in the question. We have added the provision for tax and transfer to general reserve in the working note. You should know each and every item where it will be recorded.